Welcome to Orbit Cable's Ahmedabad facility, where a legacy of 3 decades meets cutting-edge technology. As you immerse yourself into this 360-degree experience, you will witness the magic behind India's leading wires and cable manufacturer. So let's travel through time and witness the evolution of a brand that has powered dreams for decades. The gleaming copper and aluminium. These aren't just metals. They are the beginning of a promise, a commitment to quality that Orbit has upheld for nearly 3 decades. As you immerse yourself, you notice our state-of-the-art machinery. Orbit's commitment to innovation is evident in our choice of equipment. The German engineer Niehoff Machines as a testament to our dedication to precision. Renowned for their capabilities in drawing, annealing, these machines are the backbone of our production. When it comes to wire production, the coils from the RBD undergo a dual annealing process to achieve further thinning. It's important to note that higher annealing results in increased flexibility. Let's see the annealing machine in action. These annealed wires are then twisted and bunched using specialized machines to create conductors. This not only enhances the mechanical strength but also ensures a uniform surface finish. Following this, the conductors go through insulation, testing, and are finally sent for printing, completing the meticulous journey of wire production. Having our in-house production and manufacturing of PVC is one of our USPs. The PVC granules, which is the finished good of the PVC plant, acts as a raw material for wire insulation. Shift your gaze to the Supermac high-speed insulating line, a marvel of Indian engineering. Its versatility in handling house wiring, auto cables or control cables is unparalleled. The single, dual and triple extrusion system it offers ensures that each cable is crafted to perfection. But that's not all. Orbit's commitment to innovation is evident with our collaboration with Sarvasva, a rising global innovator in cable manufacturing machines. For multi-core wires, the single-core wires find their way to a remarkable machine known as a skipping machine. Here, these individual core wires are skillfully twisted into a unified form before being sent to outer sheathing and printing. Right now, we are in the armored cable plant, which is PVC and XLPE insulated and PVC sheeted. From the initial crafting of the desired diameter of the cables to the conductor phase, insulation, laying up, the inner sheath addition, armoring, and the final outer sheath. Every step is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Now, let's delve into the journey of a cable, beginning with the process of shaping wires to the required diameter. Each strand is meticulously crafted. The conductor phase is where these strands come alive, ready to transmit power. Insulation is our next step, a protective embrace that shields the conductor, ensuring safety and longevity. The conductor undergoes a critical phase called spark testing. Here, each one undergoes through an examination to ensure it meets our stringent quality standards. Behind me is the armoring machine. Armoring is all about durability for our underground cables. Like you can see, this is the strip armoring that is happening, where the galvanized iron reinforces the PVC coated cable, enhancing its strength and resilience in demanding environment. The final touch, which is the outer sheet that is happening here, seals in the excellence. It's a culmination of our dedication, precision, and commitment to quality. The Orbit brand name, along with wire specifications, is then laser printed afterward. The tested cables are then loaded onto a drum twisting machine for the laying up process. Here, each core is skillfully twisted together to form a single unified cable. Following this inner sheathing, a guardian layer is added to enhance the cable's integrity and durability, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. A marvel of engineering precision and efficiency, the autocoiler machine is pivotal in transforming long stretches of wires into manageable user-friendly coils. As the wire feeds into the machine, it's meticulously coiled into predetermined lengths, ensuring consistency across every batch. Once coiled to the desired length, the machine's advanced cutting mechanism seamlessly trims the wire, preparing it for its next destination. At Orbit, we adhere to best-in-class packaging practices. Our semi-automated machines guarantee efficient packaging, ensuring effective safety during stacking and transportation. This commitment to quality is how we serve the needs worldwide. Every product we create is not just a wire, it's a symbol of our dedication and your trust. These products, born from meticulous testing at every stage, carry our commitment to your safety and are built to serve you reliably in every application across the world. As our wires are coiled, packed, and ready for their journey, we subject them to a rigorous test, simulating the high voltage conditions they might encounter in real-world applications. By exposing these wires to high voltage levels, we ensure that they can withstand the demands of their intended use, subjecting each cable drum to a high voltage of 3 kV for 5 minutes in the most rigorous quality test parameter in the industry. Any wire or cable that doesn't meet our stringent standards is sent back, ensuring that only the best reaches our consumers. This is the place where we store all the products that have undergone rigorous testing and precise packing. And from this point forward, their journey takes them to every corner of the globe, leaving a mark on countless lives. Thank you for joining us on this immersive journey. Orbit Cables, a symphony of tradition and innovation, powering dreams, connecting future.